There's something deeply soothing about boiling an egg. You start with a simple ingredient, smooth, delicate, untouched. You place it in a pot of cool water, watching as the bubbles begin to rise. As the water warms, so do you. The rhythm of the boil, the steam curling into the air. It's a moment of mindfulness, a pause in a busy day. With each passing minute, the egg transforms. The whites firm up, the yolk settles into a golden centre, structured, complete. And in this quiet, you feel it too, a gentle, grounding sense of control. When you peel away the shell, it's more than just an egg. It's a little triumph, a moment of simplicity, a reminder that sometimes slowing down is the best thing you can do. When cooked, eat the delicacy with a heart of gratitude, since being grateful in all circumstances in life is the foundation of all good things that you can then attract by the person you are becoming in the process. So, the next time life feels overwhelming, try boiling an egg. Who knew something so small could bring so much peace? The little, sometimes negligible actions sometimes contribute much in life. Let us then be alert, sensitive and grateful for all that life offers as we make the most out of each experience. To support us, click like, subscribe button and share with your friends and loved ones. We shall then create more videos like this and much more insightful ones. Life is fun. Let's enjoy.